In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create pages in your Figma file. Start by opening your design file in Figma. You'll be working in the Layers panel on the left side of your screen. This is where your page list lives. To create a new page, look to the top right corner of the Layers panel and click the plus icon. A new page appears immediately in your list, ready to use. Think of each page as its own canvas, letting you group related work without cluttering a single space. Next, rename the page so it's clear what it contains. Simply double-click the page name and type a descriptive title. Short, consistent names make scanning faster, especially in larger files. Many teams use patterns like 1 wireframes, 2 visual design, or handoff. But use whatever fits your workflow. Clear naming reduces confusion and prevents people from editing the wrong place. To move between pages, just click the page names in the panel. Switching is instant and affects only your view, so you can jump from exploration to final design without losing your place. This is especially helpful when reviewing work with others or preparing for a presentation. If you want to change the order of your pages, click and drag the page names to reorder them. Put your most used pages near the top, or group related sections together. A tidy, intentional order makes a big difference as files grow and more collaborators join. When you need a quick copy of a page, right-click the page name and choose Duplicate. This is great for versioning before major changes or for creating a template you can reuse. If a page is no longer needed, right-click and select Delete. Remember, deleting a page removes everything on it, so it's smart to duplicate or confirm with your team before you clear it out. That's it. Thanks for watching.